Yes, I know you are so amazed with the video you just watched moments ago, but do you know that I created those videos with Grok AI? Yes, you can now use Grok AI to create realistic videos, talking videos, just like Google VO3. So if you are finding it difficult to create videos with Google VO3, then make sure you watch this video to the end, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Grok AI to create realistic videos which will be speaking, which will be talking, just like the video you just watched moment ago. So now let's get started. Let me go and show you how you can use Grok AI to create realistic videos just like the video you just watched moment ago. Let's get started. Now let's get started, and to get started, let me show you how you can access Grok AI. And to access Grok AI, all you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store. You go and download it. As you can see, this is it. You download it to your phone. Now all you have to do, after you download it, you click on open, and when you click on open, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. After you register, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you are going to use Grok AI to edit your images, how you are going to use Grok AI to also create videos, how you can use Grok AI to do a lot of things. Right now, all you have to do is just to click on this. Imagine here, you click on it, and after you click on it, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Then you are going to see where you are going to put your prompt. Now, let me start by generating a prompt and show you guys a sample of a prompt of a video. Now, let me click on, let me make example of a man in a war zone. In a war zone, let's click on continue and let's wait for it. Now, as you guys can see, this is what it gave to us. So you can decide to select anyone you like. So as you guys can see, just the way we give you the prompt, and that is how it generates it for us. Now let's use this first one to convert this to an image video. All you just have to do is just to tap on this plus sign, and when you tap on this plus sign, you are going to see it is going to start generating the video. It's going to turn it to an amazing video for us. So let's just wait for some minutes, and it's going to do this for us. So if you have not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Now it has already turned it for us. Now let's play this and see. Now as you guys can see, the way it changed the image to video for us, and we can download this to our phone. Now let's create something amazing than this again. Let's click on download. Let's download this to our phone. Now let's create something amazing than this. Now what I will put, I will say a lion running after let's create something. Which animal will I use? After tiger. Now let's click on continue. Let's see what is going to generate for us. Now as you can see, just the way we give in a prompt, you have generated something like this for us. Now let's make it a video. All you just have to do is just to click on make a video. When you click on make a video, it's going to make it a video for us. And it also creates it with sound. Yes, it also creates with sound. You can try it with sound. It creates it with sound. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how you can also upload image from your phone, and it's going to change it to a video. Don't worry, I'm going to show you. Right now, as you can see, this one comes with sound. So you can also download this. So let's click on download and download this to our phone. Now let me show you how you can upload image from your phone and make it as a video. Now let's click on this icon here. It's going to take it to your phone. Now after you take it to your phone, now let's upload this image you are seeing here. This image you are seeing here, let's upload it. Now after uploading it, is going to start generating it as a video for us without you putting any prompt. It is going to generate it for it by itself. Now let's just give it some minutes and it's going to generate it. Now it has generated as a video for us, as you guys can see. As you guys can see, without doing anything, without us touching it, it has generated it for us. Now you can also download this, so you can try different type of image and it's going to do it for you. Even image of yourself is going to help you generate it. Now let's click on download so that it will download to our phone. Now the next thing, let's upload another image again. For example, let's upload this image of this car you are seeing right here, this car. Now as you can see, it's generating the video for us already. It's generating the video for us already. Now it has generated the video and it comes with sound also. It comes with sound. So let's click on download and save this one also. You can use it to create a lot of any videos you want. You can use it to create it. So now let me use this, show you how you can edit photos with this. And to do this, all you have to do is just to click on ask here. You change it to ask, then you click on this icon so that you can upload your photos. Now let me take you guys and upload one of my photos. One of my photos here. This photo here, I will click on upload. This is my image here. And after I click on it, I've uploaded the image. All I have to do is to scroll side here. As you can see, edit image, and you tap on edit image. And when you click on edit image, sorry, I have to upload the image again. Let me upload the image again. This is the image. I'll click on it. Now, as you can see, erase. Then you click on continue, and it's going to erase this video for you. You can even change the video back in this image for you. You can even change the background. As you can see, this is what it got for me. You can use other image. I know this image is not so much clear, but you can use other image. As you can see, water style. There are a lot of things which you can use this AI to do. So if you have not tried this Grok AI, you can try it, and it's free. It's free. You don't need to pay anything. It's free. As you can see, you can try it out and see a lot of things. As you can see, you have different type of editing model, anything you want. You can also say remove the background, and it's going to remove it. Remove the background, and it's also going to remove it. So you can try it out and start using it to generate videos, to generate images. In fact, you can use it to generate a lot of things, anything you want. As you can see, you have changed the background of that image. This image, you have changed the background. As you can see, you can use it and save anyone to your phone, and you start using it. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you'll also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.